Hello viewers, this is Dial Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you this brand new rechargeable LED work light I just picked up. Now before I open this one up, let me show you this other one that's right beside it. Now this one you're looking at is the old one I've had for a couple of years now, and I do use it often for both filming and working on my car, but about a month ago it stopped working. I did open this up, and from what I can tell, the battery inside is still good. The LED also seemed to be good, but the LED driver, I believe, is the problem here. So instead of trying to fix it, I decided to get a new one because they're quite inexpensive now. And I looked around on Amazon and I found this one made by SUNIX. And looking at the box, you can tell this one is much more compact than this one I have here. And also this has more features built in compared to my old unit. So let me open this up and I'll show you. This LED work light uses a COB LED or chip on board. The LED itself is rated at 20 watt. It puts out 1600 lumen. The unit is also IP64 rated, so it's waterproof. The light can be set to a dim mode, and it also has a roadside emergency function. I'll show you those functions in a second. If I turn the unit over, you'll see there's a USB cable. This is for charging the internal battery that's in this LED work light. There's also a rubber cover that you can open up. The top port right here is a USB output port. So you can use this as a power bank to charge your mobile device. This outputs 5 volt at 2 amp. Below that, with this micro USB connector, you can also use this port to charge the internal battery. Next to a USB port, we have this power button. Press it once, it will show you the charge level of the internal battery. Now if you press it again, it will turn on the work light. Press it again, there's a dim mode. Press it once more. This is the red LED. Press it once more. The red LED will flash. Press it again and turn it off. At the bottom there's a handle you can flip out. In the middle there's a magnetic base you can stick to any metal surface. I can tell you the light output is very bright. There's another function you can do with this power switch. If you press and hold the power switch, it'll gradually dim the light output. And when it reaches the dimmest mode, it'll give you a quick flash to let you know that's the dimmest mode. Press and hold the power switch, it'll increase in brightness. And when it reaches the brightest output, it'll give you a quick flash to let you know it's at the brightest output. I really like the fact that this unit is a lot smaller than the other LED work light I had before. You can easily put this in tight spaces. This is also great if you're doing work inside the vehicle. And don't forget, this is also waterproof. As you can see, this is a great portable LED work light. They're able to pack so many features into a small unit. With a super bright 1600 lumen LED, you can use this in your shop or garage, or even take it with you when you go camping. With a smart power switch at the back, you can easily adjust the brightness of the LED and easily toggle between the white light and the red light for roadside emergency. The overall construction of the unit is very good. You have these large built-in bumpers at all 4 corners to protect the lights. Now at the time of doing this review, you can get this on Amazon for $32, and I will include the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. And don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.